Hello my paper crafting family, welcome to the Christmas craft edition of Paper and Joy. Today we are making one of these gingerbread men gift card holders. So you just pull open the little arms out of the little slits, and it's got a little vest on which is around the other side as well, and then the gift card sits in the bottom pocket here. So there you go, a fun little craft for you to use at Christmas time if you like. So let's get crafting. Alright, let's have a look what you get in your packs. You get the cardboard base to make your gingerbread man, the two pieces for the face, and the piping that goes around the face. You get his little vest with 3 buttons and a bow tie, and also the piping to go on his arms, and a envelope to pop him in for gift giving. I'm also going to include a toothpick. Now this, I'll show you what this is for. The cardboard is quite stiff, and just to help the arms fit in a bit easier, so just pop your toothpick in the slits and just give it a rub back and forward just to open that up a bit, to make it easy to put the arms in, because it's quite sort of tightly cut there. Okay, so firstly we'll just do the fold up base piece to put the gift card in. So I just need to, now he has got 2 sides. There's a sort of a yellower, rougher side, which is the inside, and then a smoother side for the outside. So the outside is the back, and the inside is here, because then that will match the face and the arms if we cover up that yellow a bit. So yellow on the inside. Okay, so fold the bottom tabs down. Now, because it is a stiff cardboard, this is going to take a bit of pressing, and make sure you've got quite a bit of glue on there, and folding up that bottom tab as well, the pocket I should say. There we go. Okay, so we'll glue that down. Have your scrap paper for your gluing so you don't get it on any good furniture or tablecloths. Alright, so as I said, quite a bit of glue and quite a bit of pressure. Alright. Go over it a second time to make sure it's nicely glued. Alright, and hold it down. There we go. And the card fits sort of nice and easily in that pocket. It's a good size. You may just need to hold it down for like a minute or two just to make sure that everything sticks. Okay, should be good. Now you might do his face. So grab the 3 pieces you'll need for the face, the white base, the brown top, and then the piping. So we'll stick these 2 big pieces on first. Just pop some glue on the white bit, starting from the center, working your way out so that the edges are nice and sticky. Okay. And then it should fit exactly on there. Give it a press. And then with the piping, that's probably just the most fiddly bit. And you just got to be careful that you don't sort of rip it with the glue. So what we're going to do is instead of putting glue on the piping, we're going to put it on the base so that we don't rip the piping when we're putting it together. Okay, so just so it sits there. So these bottom bits around and this bit here, and just using the edge of your glue stick just to put an edge of glue around the edge, around the face. All right, and again, you might have to just go over it twice just to make sure it is wet when you put it on. You start in the corner, and then it should just fit around the edge. Oops, I need a bit more glue there. There. Oops. There's our face. So we can stick that on the base now. And that sits up there. You can line up the bottom of the face piece, so don't put it underneath, so to sit it where the dotted line for the fold is, and if you want you can fold it up for a guide. All right, and so it just sits just above that so that it doesn't fold in. All right, so glue onto your face, starting from the center. All right, pop it on. Oh, that's absorbing the glue. Maybe put some on this bit as well. Okay. Okay. So he doesn't really line up perfectly with the top, but just line him up with the bottom. It doesn't matter exactly if he's a bit off, because it's not supposed to sit exact. It's not sticking, is it? There we go. The glue stick's drying out. All right, face is on. Now we can put his shirt pieces on. So that's these two pieces that are cut there, and they just sit in there. So sort of against where he's cut out. Yeah, just line that up with the edge so that it folds. If you want, you can probably put the shirt pieces on first, that might be easier. Okay, either way, all good. Okay, so line it up with the edge of the fold piece, yeah, and the other edge of the fold piece. Okay. So we have his bow tie and his 3 buttons. that we can stick on. The bow tie is just at the top of the first button's just at the top of the straight bit. You can put the bottom button at the bottom of the straight bit, and then the middle button is easier to position than in the middle of those two buttons. Oops. And the bow tie sort of, you can put the little points there if you like, just on the top of the piping there. That lines it up. Okay, now we can do the piping on his hands and his arms. It doesn't really matter, I think, which way it goes, either way. So just fold his arms in. Easier that way. And then have a look where it sort of sits, because it's not going to sit there, just where it sort of is the width of his arm, and pop some glue in a strip along that bit. And for the other side. So I've got my two, make sure that they are pointing in the same direction. This makes it look more symmetrical. Okay, so it's going to be about there. There we go. And while he's turned over, we can pop the back of his vest piece just in between the fold pieces. There we go. All finished, so you can pop a card in there and fold him up. And then the arms, just give them a fold because there's a bit of the thickness of the paper there that will fold, the arms will fold around. And then it slots in to the cutout slots. There we go. So there is your gift card holder for Christmas for you to give away. Hope you enjoyed that craft, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.